Hey everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please remember to like and subscribe. I'm gonna get right into this video. I have done something I've never done before. I normally get my bags from the department store or Dooney and Bourke online or the outlet. But I decided to take a chance because I watched a lot of you guys' video of those people who have purchased pre-owned, pre-loved Dooney and Bourke bags. So I decided to go out there on a limb and I went to Poshmark and I saw a bag that I really wanted, and the seller was great. She gave me a good, reasonable price for it, and I took the offer, and I am so happy for my purchase. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got it from Poshmark, and it came wrapped in the dust bag. Very clean. I got the Kingston Hobo in red, and let me tell you, this bag is in awesome condition. There are no scratches. Maybe just it's one on the bottom, not even, you can't even see it. It's probably just from the shelf. No problem. Ain't nobody gonna see the bottom of my bag anyway, and you can just buff it out with these bags. But this bag is like 100% perfect to me. She had the tassels wrapped. There's no fraying, no stitching coming unloose or nothing on this bag. With it's like it's perfect. It's like I just bought it from the actual store. It has the gold brushed hardware. The straps are adjustable. Of course, it has the two front pockets. I probably would never use these pockets. They're so kind of tight, but I like how the purse lays flat. The bottom has the reinforced feet. And when I opened the bag, she had it stuffed really nice. It's like she really took care of this bag. I just took out the wrapping. Oops, one of them came off. The interior is perfect. I know on the listing she said it had some signs of wear. I really don't see much, nothing that concerns me. This is the inside of the bag. The zipper has the suede green lining, and the inside is the cloth red material. It has the zipper pocket right here. The zipper pocket is also, well, this is green, and then the inside of the zipper, I'm sorry, the zipper is black, and then the inside pocket is red. One thing that I noticed on this particular bag, that's not on any of the other Dooney and Bourke bags I have, is that it has a button pocket right here. The larger pocket is a button snap pocket, which I love it. I love it. So I am just so excited and happy for this purchase. This is a very, very beautiful bag. If you know me, you know my videos, I'm getting ready to put my stuff in this bag right now. Even though it's not gonna go with what I'm gonna wear tomorrow to work, I'm still carrying my bag. So I love this bag. It's a very, very good bag. I'm glad I took the chance and I purchased this from the seller. I probably will do it again. Take the chance and see what I come up with. I'm still looking for, I want the blue one like this. I think it's the navy or something. I really like that because the navy has the white stitching on it. So I really want to get that one next. And then the Buckley is also on my list to get. I got to get that bag too. So I just want to say, I hope she's listening because I did tell her to come to my channel. I give you an A+ for this purchase. Thank you so much. And remember, like and subscribe. Until the next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.